I'm just going to go through a couple of questions that several students have asked me about. And for the most part, when you do these questions, it's not that you're doing them incorrectly, it's just that the questions have been simplified further than perhaps you might see that. So we're going to differentiate these questions. So I'm going to take, so let me get my pen here. So we're going to do y prime. So it is an exponential function. So it'll be 400 2x plus 3 stays the same, and then we'll take ln of the base, which is 2. So ln base 2. So that is the derivative of that, but how have they simplified it? So what they have done is they have separated the 2 to the power x plus 3 into 2 to the power x times 2 to the power 3. Because when we multiply with the same base, that's the same as adding. So they've changed the addition back to multiplication. And then they've taken 2 to the power 3, which is 8, multiplied it by the 400 to get 3200. And then we have 2 to the x ln 2. Okay, so that's how it's been simplified. Same with this one. So the derivative of this, it's an exponential function. So 8 to the power 2x plus 5 stays the same, times ln of the base, which is ln 8, times the derivative of 2x plus 5, which is 2. So what have they done here? Well, they have separated the 8 to the 2x plus 5, so they've changed addition back to multiplication. Another thing that they've done is they've changed the ln 8. They've changed 8 to 2 to the power 3. And then brought down the 3. So that's 3 ln 2 times 2. Then they've multiplied this 3 and this 2 together to get 6. And they've changed 8 to the power 5 to a whole number. And they've changed 8 to 2 to the power 3 and multiplied it by the 2x. Okay, so in this first term, they've changed 8 to 2 to the power 3, and then that 3 has gotten multiplied by the 2x. So that's where the 2 to the power 6x comes from. The 8 to the 5 is equal to 32,768. And then the 3 and the 2 have been multiplied to get 6 ln 2. And then they've put the 32,768 at the front. They've put the 2 to the 6x next. And then they've put that 2 back up. So 2 to the power 6 is 64. So this is the solution that's given. So you may have gotten to here and said, okay, well, how do they get down to here? So those are things that they've done to simplify it.